when you are dealing with a very intelligent person, be very, very careful. My brothers and sisters, be very, very careful. As it should be. Queen May, it is long overdue. Queen May sees everything. You understand? No be cho. Queen May go through the process. You people know this Emeka Ugwanyi that have been insulting Queen May up and down. Right now, there is a lawsuit against him. This is it on your screen. You are seeing. I will read it. You will see. Cease and desist notice. Cyberbullying, cyberstalking, gaslighting, malicious falsehood, public shaming, and defamation against Mrs. Mary Yul Edochie. Demand for immediate retraction and public apology. Yes, we are solicitors to Mrs. Mary Yul Edochie, hereafter referred to as our client, on whom firm instruction we write. Our client has expressed deep displeasure and grave concern over your incessant public posts, cyberstalking and cyberbullying concerning her and her private family matters. These posts have been made in tone and manner that transcend mere defamation, constituting ridiculous, unwarranted and harmful behavior, a calculated assault on her reputation, and have further impaired her safety through malicious threat and demonstrative false allegation by you and at your behest. Your conduct has also instigated third parties to propagate or distributing communication, thereby applying the damage and causing our client severe and irreparable harm. Our client has informed us that your publications are not only false but malicious in every aspect. Sure enough, human errors is replicated in our day-to-day activities, but a sense of responsibility demands that wrong be reminded in order to foster a stable and justice society. We have personally stated beautifully false and misleading comments about our client on your social media accounts named Emeka Onyeogu on X, formerly S, Emeka Onyeogu on Facebook. Your attempt to spread malicious, scandalous and defamation material against our client have caused serious and irreparable injury to our reputation and business. Our client takes this malicious falsehood with utmost seriousness, in-depth concern about the injury your publication has caused and continue to cause to her reputation. Omo, it's not a small thing. Queen May no dey play. Queen May did not come to play. Hey, Omo, PDA court don't buy problem. Unequivocally denied that said allegation as set at your conduct amount to nothing more than gaslighting, malicious misrepresentation of her person and sheer chinery, a cheap play calculated to malign and defame her character, cast aspersion on her personality, inflict emotional distress, mislead the public, undermine her professional standing, and lower her esteem in the eyes of right-thinking members of the society, all for reason of personal and malicious interest best known to you. We have further been informed by our client that you have established and operate several platforms, including a WhatsApp group designed solely to tarnish her image, wherein you unlawfully provide access, open payment, to provide information belonging to our client. It is particularly concerning that you came into possession of such information by purporting to render legal services to her, despite her clear lack of legal standing to act as a practitioner. By so doing, you deceitfully exploited our clients unaware of this fact, heard by herself, act in a fraudulent manner, and are now making substantial and illegitimate profit from her privileged information, in addition to your defamation, derogatory, and damaging publication about her. However, having been duly trained as a lawyer, you cannot frame ignorance of your action, even while purporting to represent our client. Your conduct is dealing with her confidentiality details in an unethical and unprofessional manner is unexcusable, and you are fully aware of the implication thereof. More so, our office is aware of your past record, both criminal and civil liability in related conduct. This record establishes a pattern of behavior and amount to a notorious fact of your character. You are hereby expressed one to desist from representing such conduct in this instance. Our clients will not stand by and allow this misconduct to continue. Accordingly, we hereby demand that you, within 48 hours of being in receipt of this notice, cease and desist from making or publishing any further defamation or malicious statements against our clients. 2. Withdraw all posts or publication made by you or cease to be made by you concerning our client, as each and every medium used in propagating this defamatory and malicious act. 3. Issue a clear and public apology and publish a full restoration of every derogatory statement you have made against our client on all platforms where such statements were made. Furthermore, you are hereby demanded to make a payment of the sum of 1 billion naira as damages for the malicious publication made to our client, Queen May Edochie. Take note that failure to comply with the demands hereat shall leave us with no other option but see through the sea of litigation, both civil and criminal, to enforce our client's rights, seek reasonable compensation, and ensure her legal protection from your continuous menace action without further notice. Best regard, yours faithfully, Grey Law Partners, Esther Fijo, Mrs. ESQ. Bagam. You know, when we tell people that there are levels to this thing, they refuse to listen. Queen May is not their mate. See, Queen May went to school. I know people will be like, oh, why has Yo not sue? Why has Judy Austin not sue? Are they lying against them? All what they have been saying about Yo and Judy Austin, it has always been truth, allegedly. My brothers and sisters, it's not a small thing. It's not a small shoot bed, mama fly. Now, Queen May have shown them that she is not that person they can joke with. She is not that person they can play with. Queen May is the mother, their mother, their mother. So right now, let them go and pay. Yes, they shall pay. Because that's if Queen May has been playing with them since. She has been playing. They want our Queen May to speak. Now she has spoken. She has spokos. Oh my God. When they will, Emeka will be working with his sumo amubingo. We come and be talking to our Queen May. It's not their fault. It's Yo that brought Queen May outside. It's not Emeka's fault. He will be served by substitute means. No big deal. He must answer for his shenanigans. You must answer to your shenanigans. He said now later that he wasn't sued. Their man no go touch ground. Their mind no go touch ground. But when the mind go finally touch ground, nobody go tell them, yeah, this me. The breast shameless Emeka has been speaking with two sides of the mouth. He was busy lying that he was not served, that he can be sued against him in sky. This guy too lie, and our poverty they cause. We will meet in courts.